Yeah, hello fellow YouTubers. Welcome to Pimax TV. Please don't try this if you are not ready for lucid dream or astral projection, or if you are not ready to have any prophetic dream. Okay, don't try it. But if you are ready for it, just try it. Okay, there's nothing to be feared of. Okay, don't be scared. Try it and see. Let me show you. You see this plant, we call it Tulsi, or the bizarre plant. There's it. I will show it to you clearly in a video form. This is how the plant look like. It has the leaves has a very calming, and then it feels, it has a nice aroma. The leaves, you see how it look like. Yeah, so this is the plant. See how it look like. Look at the leaves very well. Let me zoom. So what are you going to do? You are going to locate where this plant is. You go along with organic pure honey and water. Okay, when you go to where this plant is, offer the honey and water to it in the form of libation. Then you take a piece of the plant just like this. Then in the evening, when it is about 30 seconds or 60 seconds before you go to bed, just take 7 pieces of the leaves like this, 7 of them. Okay, then you rub it, you gently rub it like this to extract the juice. Rub it like this to extract the juice. Then you use your left hand like this to massage your forehead, while simultaneously you use your right hand to massage the middle, this part of your head. Okay, so just massage it for about 15 seconds. Then you leave it. When you are done like this, now you get onion, this type, not the white onion, this the red onion. However, if you don't get the red onion, use the white one. Okay, then you cut this part. Then you also cut this part small. You are not going to divide it into transverse, no, just cut this part and then that part. Then you put this onion, okay, under your pillow. Then you sleep. But before you sleep, just think about what you truly want to manifest. Is it a business you have that you are trying to find a solution to boost the sales, or is it something specific you want to know about in your life, not in someone's life? Okay, or is it a journey you're about to embark on that you truly want to know what is ahead? Just have that intention. Or is it money, or do you want to go into gambling a little bit? Just try. Okay, let's say you want to go into forex trading or stock, just anything, or just try. Then you focus on it, whatever it is, just focus on it. Then you sleep whilst the onion is under your pillow. Then you've already massaged your forehead and then the middle of your head like this with the bizarre plant, 7 of the leaves. Then you go to bed. Okay, remember, this is Pimax TV. Whatever you see in the dreams, you come back. Okay, just come back and then comment or testify what you saw. Okay, it is real. I am not here to show you fake things. Okay, please subscribe and share for others to watch. Okay, bye.